Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp, and this is Joanne's equipment from MD, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool lamp. Now, Mickey has been in Joanne's family for a long time, and she wanted to have this unit repaired. Mickey is not working at all, so we want to troubleshoot the main PC boards. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We'll go ahead and get some still pictures of this really cool lamp, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp, and we're ready to start our final checkout. We also want to mention that there is a main power switch at the back of the base of Mickey, and you always want to have that power switch in the off position when plugging Mickey in or unplugging Mickey from the electrical outlet. And if Mickey's not going to be used for a long period of time, you want to turn that switch in the off position. We have Mickey in the off position and he's plugged in, so we want to go ahead and reach around and turn the switch on.
What a bright idea!
And we're going to give that a second. Mickey has a lot of cool sayings when you turn the lamp on and off. We'll go ahead and turn the lamp off.
Lights out!
We'll give that a second. Turn the lamp back on.
Now you can see what you're doing.
We'll turn Mickey off.
So long, pal.
Turn Mickey back on.
Ah, that's better.
We'll go ahead and turn the lamp off.
See you real soon.
And then we'll turn Mickey on one last time.
Hiya, pal. Nice to see ya.
Now that we know that this really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp has been repaired, we can return them to Joanne. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.